Hi guys, I am back with a dip powder mani. So I am unbagging or unboxing Sparkling Co's sub bag. So it was a bubbles themed sub bag. I think this was April 2022 sub bag. I get the $29.99 dip powder subscription. And so I don't know why my video just got super slow. I don't know what the I don't know what's going on with that, but it came with these the liquid. It came with cuticle softener, and it came with cute confetti stickers. Yeah, I don't know why my video is like on slow freaking mode. So I put the video on like super speed mode, just to kind of speed that up because it was dragging. You may not see it, but I saw it when I was doing this voiceover. But so it came with 4 colors. Really, they're more spring colors. Nice colors in my opinion. Again, I'm no expert here, but I like colors. And so I can't really see what the colors are, but you guys probably have already seen other videos using these same colors. So I do have on 2 coats of Sparkling Co's Peel Off Base Coat, and I will be using Sparkling Co's Low Scent Base. So I'm using Bubble Standard. I think that says Standard. I couldn't tell if it had an S on the end or not, but it's a nice shimmery light blue or light green. I think it's blue. And I'm just going in and trying to apply my base in as thin layer as possible. And so one thing I've noticed with my nails shorter, it seemed like to me that my dip powder application is becoming more bulkier, and just because, you know, I need to pay attention, especially with this color in particular. It has little glitter pieces in there, and so I noticed with the second coat and with the clear encapsulation that it did become a little bulky, but overall I thought it was cute. The next color that I will apply is a nice light purple. It's called Burst Class, and it is a purple with shimmer. And what I'm pouring it in, these are silicone mini cupcake liners. The thing is, I like it because you can reuse it, but y'all, you cannot brush the powder out. So you have to flip that thing inside out and actually wash it with warm soapy water. I usually use Dawn. So you have to go to the sink and wash these out, because brushing them out, getting the dip powder out, that's just not going to work. So if you want to use less waste, you know, get these and reuse them. You just have to wash them out. And so I'm just laying each finger flat. I'm just alternating colors. So I have purple on 3 nails and the light teal or blue on 2 of those nails. And I will use Sparkling Co's clear to encapsulate. So as I mentioned before, I did encapsulate my nails in Sparkling Co's Clear, and I'm just using my Sparkling Co brush to remove excess. And the reason I'm not using my toothbrush that I normally use is because low odor dip liquids dry slower, but I've noticed that with Sparkling Co's it doesn't dry as slow as the others. And so I'm going in and using Solidify, which is Activator's version, Sparkling Co's version of Activator, and I will allow that to harden, sit on the nail for about 2 to 5 minutes to harden the dip powder, and then I will do my filing and buffing off camera. Filing and buffing is done, and I have these water decals, and I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it kind of has like little flat rhinestone like stickers. They're not rhinestones, but they have like an iridescent color to them, so they fade out from like the teal to purple. And so I'm just going in and applying Maniology sticky base coat. I do have a discount code for Maniology. It's an affiliate code. I'll have that linked in the description box below. And so I'm applying Maniology sticky base coat while I let the water sit on the decal. I'm removing excess with a lint-free wipe, and then I'm using my nail stamper to pick that up and place on the nail. And I'm not placing it in any particular way, I'm just placing it on the nail. I thought that was really cute, and it kind of reminded me of Bubbles, which was the theme of this sub bag. And so for the one decal that's kind of missing a piece, that little circle in the upper left hand corner of the screen, I'm just going to use some sticky base coat and apply that. And I'm just cutting off excess. You can use a nail brush with acetone to remove excess, but I just used scissors. It was right there, it was readily available, so I just picked those up. And so once I place the sticker that came off, or the little gem, it's not really a gem because it's flat, but I'm going to place that on the nail, and then I'm going in with Triple D's Delicate Gel, 2-in-1 base gel, and I'm going to apply that to the nail and cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. And I think I placed a rhinestone on the fingers with purple, I think, because I see some rhinestones on there, but I can't remember if I did that or not. And then again, like I said, I'll cure for 60 seconds in the LED lamp. I did apply some purple rhinestones. So guys, here's the finished look after curing. You want to apply your favorite cuticle oil once your nails have cooled down from being in the lamp. So guys, give this video a like, leave a comment, let me know what you think, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. It is absolutely free. So I appreciate you guys hanging in there with me and continuing to support my channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you so much for watching.